We're just burning up the experiments here in the laboratory. I'm putting a little smoke in the environment. What you're doing is you're seeing the world that was pulled in front of you. The idea of multiple planes. Let me have you look at what I've described here in panorama, or what is it? It's the panorama where you make it in a shoebox type thing. Anyways, pull this back. When you look at something, you look at the point that you've come into focus. The X is your focal point. Everything past the X will then move out of focus. Everything before will then go from focus out of focus past you. Your eye is curved, so you must square that circle. That creates your pyramid, or what is called Ramsey's theorem, which is the 6, the top, the 7, the mind, the crooked stick. You can see 7. You see them two there? 7, 7, you see them? 7, 47s. That's the inside of your 68. Your X, your cube. Alright, got it? Now, in order to see something that's not there, you just have to change your attention or change your focus. So, that's in our way. That's the mountain, per se, that will not move. Smoky Mountains. Oh, let me add some smoke. The Smoky Mountains. Alright? What happens if I want to look past there? I need to then look into the distance because I know what's back there. I know that when a ship, for example, goes out of sight on the ocean, you know for a fact it did not go over an edge. You know that. Instinctively you know that. In your most rational moment, sitting there alone with yourself, you know that's the correct answer. So then something comes into focus beyond that point that you used to think was a limit. Alright? So in order to see past what's blocking me, I'm going to have to, I can't move for this experiment. I can't move my position. I'm stuck here. All I can do is look around. So I'm going to look around and see what I can do. What I can do is change my focus. And I can see there's something back there. And if I change my focus, there, it snaps into focus. You see I have like a mirrored world back there. So what I'm going to do is change my focus to manual, which, you know, if we're speaking about ourselves, that would just be that you focus on something other than what was blocking you. Think of it spiritually or any other way you want. There is something back there. There's something back there for sure. And sure enough, I'm looking at it and I think I recognize that. Let me get it right here. Let me pull it back. Yeah, sure enough. You know what that is? I'm going to go back there and show you. It's a bud, man. It's a bud sitting on a 223 cartridge. Oh no, not the 223. I told you the 233 on the opposite of the 2 is the 2, 3. Get it? It's the loop. Now you're fogged up again. The distance has been fogged. Lost your vision. Well, that's how that works, man. The ships did not go over the edge. There is no curve. When I stand in California and I stand there like I'm that cartridge and I'm In the evening, seeing the sun is moving out of my line of sight, and yet as I look, I continue to drift my vision towards the north, moving in what? From a west to north. Easily over the evening, you can follow the light, the halo of the light around. It's not going down into anywhere, it's going around on a flat plane. All right? Now, please enjoy the rest of the video. Cheers.